Hi, so this is Steve here from Snag My House. Just bringing up something that we regularly see, and it's kind of something that you won't see during a normal inspection. So this is the flue for the gas boiler, and what you see here is it's loose in the wall. So what can happen here is that you can get pests creeping in there over a number of years. This can become loose and dislodged, and it's just not fixed properly. So we'll put this on our list with the attention for the builder, so he'll fix it and get everything right from new clients. So I'll let you go because it's very cold here now and I don't want to get caught out in the cold. Best of luck, thanks for tuning in, bye.